Hi, I'm Joanne from Natural Healing Center. If you're struggling with digestive issues, fatigue, hormone imbalances, or symptoms that just won't go away, nutrition response testing can offer real answers. It's a simple, non invasive way to find out what's stressing your body and what it needs to heal. We use a 3-step process that taps into your body's own communication system, your autonomic nervous system. Step 1 is the baseline test. You hold your arm out while I apply a gentle pressure. This shows how well your nervous system is functioning and gives us a snapshot of your body's stress level. Step 2 is the challenge test. We introduce test files for common stressors such as food sensitivities, heavy metals, chemicals, and immune challenges such as parasites, fungus, and bacteria. If something is overwhelming your system, your body will react right away. Step 3, your body responds. If you're balanced, your arm stays strong. But if something is disrupting your system, your arm weakens. Here's a helpful way to understand it. In hypothermia, the body pulls energy away from arms and legs to protect core vital organs. During this testing, your body does the same thing. It prioritizes where energy is needed most. So if an organ is stressed, energy shifts there and your arm briefly weakens. That change tells us what areas need support and what's getting in the way of healing. From there, we create a personalized nutrition program using whole food supplements and natural remedies to support your body's ability to repair and rebalance. We use this testing method throughout your program to monitor progress and make adjustments as your body strengthens. If you're curious how this could help you, sign up for a free 15-minute consultation. We'd love to support you on your healing journey so you can feel better naturally.